Hello everybody, welcome to this channel. Today I'm going to show you how to put video behind the text in Filmora. So for that you have to choose any background. Like I'm going to choose this radiant color as my background. Now go to this title option and go to include, and you have to select any basic text. Like I'm using this basic text. Now double click on this text and go to the advanced option. Now you have to select any bold text. Like I'm going to select robot or bold. Okay, this one is okay, I think. Now you can customize your text from here. I'm going to write John Bear. Now you have to click the bold to make it more prominent. Now you can increase the size if you want. Now here's the option. You can see the color. Go to the color option, go to the more option. Now select the pure green color for this. Okay, now select OK. Click OK. Now from here you can take a snap, and the snapshot has been added. You can see that. Now delete this all things, go to the media. Now import your desired video that you want to put behind the text. So I'm going to use a sample video for this now. So I'm going to drag it down to the first timeline. I'm going to overlay this snapshot to the second timeline. Now double click on this snapshot, go to the image option. You can see that option, that is chroma key. Click on it. Now you can see a option here. Click on this option and select your desired color that you want to eliminate. So I'm going to choose the green color. Okay, so you can see that the video is running behind the text. So for a special effect, I'm going to use the pan and zoom effect to make it more prominent. So follow me now. Double click on the snapshot, go to this crop option, go to the pan and zoom option. Now I'm going to select the ending part. I think this will be looking better. Now click OK. You can also decrease the length. Now let's see how it looks. You can see that it's looking amazing. If you like this tutorial, like this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. And thanks for watching the full video. See you in the next one.